Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to sell on the Creative Market. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So Creative Market here is a platform for designers. So maybe if you want to sell your icons here or buy them or basically download assets here, you go ahead and do that. But in this case, they have actually different categories here on the platform, like display fronts, Shopify themes, vector graphics, Canva templates, product mockups, Instagram templates, and a lot more. But you could basically, as long as you're within the categories that they actually offer, you should be able to start setting on the platform itself. Now, in this case, how do we actually sell on Creative Market? Now, for you to start selling on Creative Market, we first have to open a shop here. So go to their official website, which is going to be creativemarket.com, and you should be able to see this homepage here. And at the top section, you should see the open a shop. Go ahead and click on that link. And as you can see, it's going to welcome you to the section here. So turn your creative passion into an opportunity, which in this case, basically selling your art. So there's going to be a lot of information here that you could read up. So before you actually sign up to the platform of Creative Market, make sure that you do your own research here. So what are the perks and the things that you should know here. But for now, we want to start signing up. So let's go ahead and go to the very top here, and you could go and click on open a shop here, and it should redirect you to another page where in this case you'll need to sign up. So you could create an account using your email here, so you need to manually enter your information. But if you already have a Facebook account or Google account or a Dribbble account, you could actually use them to sign up. Like for example, I want to use my Google account as a means of signing up. So let's just choose Google here and choose our email address here or our Google account here. It's going to say access block and exactly the verification process for your account here. So if you haven't actually completed your verification process on your account, you might get that. So make sure that you have your account verified first. Now in this case, I've chosen my account here, and it should actually redirect me to the main UI here for creativemarket.com. Now in this case, since I'm already logged in, you should be able to start using the market itself. So in this case, this is going to be the buyer account by default. So if you want to open a shop again, just click on open a shop at the top right again, click on open a shop, and from here it's going to redirect you to the shop application page. Now in this case, there's going to be a few things or two steps that you need to do here. So first is you need to basically share your work with them and provide your details. So that includes your first name, your last name, so what category of products you mainly sell. So maybe I want to say graphics here. So share URL where you can where you can actually view your work. So maybe a Google site here. So I want to say I want to go to Google Sites here and view my website. And in this case, you go and select your site here. So just an example, I'm going to copy this one. So just click on the drop down here, view published site, and we could go ahead and copy our link here. Go back into the application, enter our site or link here, and do you already sell digital assets online? So you could go ahead and answer yes or no here. So if not, go ahead and answer no here if you're pretty new, and just click on next. Now in this case, sometimes it's going to say enter a valid link for your personal website here. So you might need to change a few things here, like remove a certain section in order for it to work. So let's just enter the correct one here. So if the portfolio that you actually submitted does not work, you might need to use a different platform. Alright, right now I actually entered my Dribbble account here, which is a platform for designers. So if you haven't created your account for Dribbble, or if the link that you actually submitted does not or is not accepted on the Creative Market here, make sure you sign up on Dribbble here just in case. Now in this case, you can go ahead and enter that and confirm that you have permission to submit this work, and from here just click on next. Now for step 2, you need to answer the following question. That includes which options best describe you or motivation for selling products on Creative Market. So Creative Market is a passive income for you and expect make earnings with minimal effort. So how would you describe your experience level as an online seller? So if you don't have any experience, just answer the I'm new to selling. So which best describes your plan for marketing products on Creative Market? So I don't consider marketing something I need to do while setting a Creative Market, or if you want to want advice, you can go ahead and do that, answer this one. And from here, just click on I have agreed and agree to shop terms and service. Now in this case, once you've filled out all the desired details, just click on the button here that says submit application, and that should actually basically submit your application. And the last thing you need to do here is you need to verify your email address. So typically you should receive an email from your email account here. So you should go to gmail.com here. And what we need to do is we need to switch over to our different account here that we actually use for the sign up here. And it's going to say one last step here, and from here just click on confirm email, and that should actually confirm your email. And from here on, you just need to wait for Creative Market to reach out back to you regarding your application, and you should be able to submit your application and probably be accepted within the platform itself. Now, with any platform itself, there's going to be a whole onboarding process. They would give you links, training materials that you need to read for you to start selling and Dribbble. But yeah, so this is going to be a way, or this is the way for you to start applying on Creative Market here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan App. Thank you for watching.